When summer gets really hot in Iran, people reach for a refreshing drink called Khakshir, made with tiny seeds that come in two varieties. In this video, we'll show you exactly what these seeds are and how easy it is to make this drink at home. These are the seeds we need for our drink. On the left, you'll see Khakshir, known here as flaxweed. You can find it at Iranian grocery stores. On the right is tokhme sharbati, also called basil seeds. You can also simply use chia seeds from the supermarket. Nowadays, Khakshir seeds come pre-washed and are already clean. If you'd still like to rinse them yourself, you'll need 2 bowls. Add the seeds to the first bowl along with a bit of water. Let them sit for about a minute. If any fine particles float to the top, just skim them off. Then give it a quick stir and immediately pour everything into the second bowl. This way, any small bits of grit will settle at the bottom. Now the seeds go into a glass. Add water and let the mixture sit for a few minutes. Watch how beautifully the seeds float in the water. Chia seeds especially develops that gel-like texture around itself. Next, add a bit of sugar. Stir well until the sugar has fully dissolved. The liquid now takes on a pleasant sweetness. Now it's time to add the finishing touches. A splash of rose water gives it a lovely floral aroma. Then comes the lemon juice, adding a bright, fresh note. Finally, add the saffron solution. Just a few drops give the drink a beautiful golden color and a delicate aroma. You'll find the full saffron solution recipe on our website. Check out chefofpersia.com for more Persian cuisine. You'll find authentic recipes, exclusive masterclasses, Persian cuisine products, and restaurant recommendations for Persian food near you. Links are in the description.